we present BrandFusion, aligning image generation with brand styles. Motivation. The advertisements posted on social media platforms contain characteristics which are specific to the brand. This happens either due to the products, services provided by the brand, or to situate it apart from its competitors. For instance, consider ads from two fashion brands, Gucci and Tommy Hilfiger. While people are posing for a picture in all these images, they differ in several key aspects, such as facial expressions, clothing style, and setting. These characteristics reflect each brand's visual identity and hence must be present in the automatically generated ads. However, trying to generate real advertisements, such as the one shown here, using existing text-to-image models like SDXL, result in images which do not have such brand-defining characteristics even when they are passed in the text prompt. Similarly, even the current personalized image generation methods, such as Dream Booth, are unable to properly generate these characteristics, like the background color scheme, pattern, graphic design concept, etc. Therefore, we propose BrandFusion, a framework which can generate promotional images for brands containing their visual identity using just the context, such as brand name, sector, social media post caption, time of posting, and image description, all in textual form. Such a model does not need the characteristics common across the brand, and having knowledge of multiple brands can be adapted to learn new brands belonging to the seen brand sectors efficiently with less images. To create such a model, first, we collect a data set of brand advertisements along with their brand characteristics by scraping images from the Twitter handles of several Fortune 500 companies. Next, the training of BrandFusion is performed in two stages. First, a BrandVLM is tuned to predict the image's style characteristics and its clip embedding based upon the context input. Then, a BrandDM, that is, a diffusion model, uses the style characteristics and clip embedding along with the image description to generate brand-aligned images. The images generated from our proposed BrandFusion, when compared with the ones generated from a fine-tuned text-to-image diffusion model, show characteristics that are consistent with the real images, such as image lighting, background, hairstyle, clothing style, facial expressions, camera perspective, etc. Similarly, for unseen brands too, BrandFusion is able to inculcate brand-relevant characteristics. In conclusion, BrandFusion is a practical method for brand-aligned image generation, enabling the marketer to control the aspects of the generated images as per their choice by retaining the understanding of these style characteristics in the textual domain.